All right. Hello, everybody. I know today the SPSS assignment is due today, but because I've seen in the group chat that you guys have questions on it, I am going to go through with some of it. So here we have the data already, and I just input it to save some time. So let me look at what you guys have to do. So after inputting the data and putting the right names, we're gonna go to analyze, and we're going to go to descriptive. So we're going to go to descriptives and we're going to select frequency. So for this one, define the variables as gender. So we're going to do gender and then hypertension, and then it will generate the frequency chart for us. And it's going to give us output data as you see here. So it's going to give us that. And then after that, we're going to go back to analyze again, and we're going to go to descriptives and do descriptives again. So we're going to put age, we're going to put weight, we're going to put height in here into it, and then, okay, no standard deviation I meant. So we're going to do minimum, maximum, and mean. I think that's, or you know what, here, we're just going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to do that, and it's going to generate this for us, the descriptives. And then that's how you do that. And then this one at number 3, this is one that a lot of people had trouble with because for some of them, they were able to get the chart generated, but for some they had difficulties. So I'm gonna go to graphs, and we're gonna go to legacy dialogues, and we're gonna do a simple scatter plot. So we're gonna click on this one and then define. So for the instructions, it asks to put the dependent y-axis as weight. And then for the x-axis that's independent, that's going to be age. And then set markers by gender. So this is what we're going to do. And I think that's it. And then it'll be able to generate that for you, like it is for me. So if it'll load. No, I don't think I did it. Cancel. So let me do it again. I'm gonna go simple. Okay. Should do it. Let me double check. It was able to do it for me. I'm not quite sure. And then let me see. Oh yeah, it was able to do it. Yep. It just repeated again. So no worries. This isn't my assignment. I just created a sample one. So yeah, the scatter plot's there. And then we're going to do a histogram. So we're going to go back again, and then we're going to do a histogram. So for this one, the variable, I'm not sure. I do know the display the normal curve. Oh my goodness, how did I do this last time? Oh, histogram is age. The variable is age. All right. Yeah, let me double check this real quick because I remember doing mine. And let me stop sharing real quick. So okay, I can't do that. So let me pull up my thing real quick because I had done this earlier on. So let me double check. Yeah, so for the histogram, you're gonna have 2 different graphs. So let me go share screen again. Or hold on, let me exit out of something real quick. So we're gonna go. Trying to figure something out. Okay, so. All right, we're gonna go back to the assignment. Just give me one more minute. All right. So then for the instructions, all right, we're gonna do another histogram graph again and do this again and add gender. So let me double check something. Oh, gender as the column. Okay, yeah, all right. So we're gonna do that and it's gonna give us these two different well, there's gonna be 3 graphs in total, which is the one we did before adding the gender. So for this histogram, and then this one. And then last but not least, we're gonna go to data over here and we're gonna go to select cases. So for this one, we're gonna do if condition is satisfied. So you're gonna go there and then you're gonna drag gender right here and then you're gonna have it equal 1 right there. And then you click OK. So continue. And then at the bottom, it should give you something. Oh yeah, right here on this side, your data. If you notice at the beginning, we had numbers 1 through 16, but because we added a filter on this, we get this, and that's how you notice some of the numbers are missing. And then here on your variable view, it will have the filter included. So let me double check on the output. So on the output, it should include it. Yeah, it should include it. And so I don't know why it's not appearing on mine. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then if you look on the instructions, obviously that's how you're gonna format your Word document. And then just remember when you're formatting it, make sure that you include the data view and the variable view. Now for this part, I just put the before and after. So what I mean by that is before I put the filter, I added the data then and then the data view and then the variable view. So I think that's how you do it. And then also don't forget that when you're doing the formatting to include, titles on your assignment. And then I think that should be about it. Yeah, I think I covered almost everything on here. So if anybody has any other questions, feel free to email me just before midnight tonight. So I think I covered almost everything. So thank you everybody for watching this recording, and I hope all of you have a good weekend. So thank you and bye-bye.